Welcome back to my channel. It's Cheche here once again, and now I will be cooking in the Australian bush. I haven't been cooking for a while. So our recipe for today is, Nicole, what is it?
Escabeche.
Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're already my subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. Now let's talk about these ingredients. Our main ingredient is the fish, a reef fish. We have the garlic, red onion, the carrots, capsicum, choco, ginger, salt, pepper, vegetable oil, and sweet and sour sauce. Let's start cooking. Put the oil in. And now I'm going to fry our fish.
You didn't burn the oil, did you?
No, I didn't.
You can't burn oil.
Now let's start with our garlic.
Garlic.
I'm eating all the carrots.
Don't eat the carrot. Capsicum. Let's put salt and pepper. There it is.
I think I added too much.
That's alright.
Isn't it like a juice?
Yeah, that's the juice. Good job, Nicole.
Did that just sneeze?
Who sneezed? Are you angry, Rock Wallaby? Alright, back to Nicole. Now you have to cover it, Nicole. Leave it for 2 minutes.
Like the lid?
Yeah, that's the lid. Alright, good job. Now let's put our fish. Oh. Let it blend in the flavor. I think I need to add all of it. Otherwise, it's not enough salt. Cover it for?
Does Nicole eat this too?
No.
All of that for you?
Yes.
Very greedy.
My escabeche. Let's try our escabeche. No, I'm the only one who will eat the whole lot.
Well, Nicole, we've got nothing to eat. To eat a wallaby, Nicole.
Mmm.
They're protected.
Yes.
Protected by me. Notice
I
you
would
on the
like
film,
to,
kids and husband eating last.
of course, the wife's priority. I would like to thank our sponsors for today. Cindy gave this new can opener and an oven
Smit.
mitten, is it?
Oven spit.
And my husband paid all this reef fish. Let's thank our top 5 countries who are watching us.
Turkey.
And in number 5 position, Indonesia. Next, number 4, Philippines. How do you know that?
Let's do this.
Number 3,
Pakistan.
United States.
Close. United States.
Number 2,
UK.
Australia. And our number 1 country for our viewers?
Japan.
No.
Timbuktu.
Surprisingly,
United
Germany.
Kingdom.
India. Thank you, my Indian friends. Keep on watching. See you in my next vlog.
Looks good.
Bye.